Hi and welcome back to the Spanish Revival. In this episode we pressure wash our newly uncovered corner. In the previous video we dug up a red Rodeno stone path in the corner of the property that had been laying there for many years prior. Follow along as we renovate the Spanish house episode by episode, and of course with some Spanish music as we do it. Thanks for watching this episode on the Spanish Revival. If you liked it, subscribe and join us for more renovation projects. In the upcoming episodes, we build a new pickleball court and lay more Rodeno stones around our fig tree. Hasta luego.